Good evening, students. Today we are starting the first chapter of second semester. It is chapter 10, Algebraic Expressions and Identities. So to start with algebraic expressions, we have to know what is constant. So constant is a symbol which doesn't change its value, like the numerics 5, 15, 21, any number you can say. Now the variable, a symbol which may change, or you can say any symbol which may change or its value is not fixed. So we can say it is a variable, like any alphabet X, Y and Z. Now we are talking about the algebraic expression. So an algebraic expression is made up of a number of terms. It includes a number of terms which are connected to each other by a plus sign or a minus sign. So an algebraic expression has more than one or more than one terms which are separated by plus sign or minus sign. Like this, it is 2x minus 3y, so it has two terms separated by minus sign. 6a, single term. 2x squared minus 3xy plus 5y, it has three terms, and these two terms separated by minus sign and these two terms separated by plus sign. Now the factors. An algebraic expression has number of terms, so we have three terms here. Now in the second term, that is 3b, so it is a term. Now in 3b we have two factors, one is 3, another is b. So 3 and b separately they are called factors. Now the coefficients. So to understand the coefficients, we are taking a term 3xyz. It is a term. So here 3, this number, this is called numeric coefficients. Now I am taking 3x. So 3x is called the coefficient of yz. The remaining factors of this term. If we are finding the coefficient of 3x, then it is yz, the remaining part. If we are finding the coefficient of xz, then it is 3y. Now the like terms. If two terms have same variables, or you can say the same literal coefficients, the other name for the variables is literal coefficients. So if two terms have same variables, then these are called like terms. If they have different variables, then these are called unlike terms. Now the types of algebraic expression. So monomial, the algebraic expression in which we have only one term. The binomial, in which we have two terms. Trinomials, so we have three terms and a term, one term is more. This is called polynomial. If a algebraic expression has more than one term, then we can say it as polynomial. Now the degree of polynomial, highest power of any term in an algebraic expression, or you can say the polynomial is called the degree of that polynomial. Now we are starting exercise 10a. In the first sum we have to identify the monomials, binomials and trinomials. तो अभी हमने इन सारे सम्स में ये बताना है कौन सा बायनोमियल, कौन सा मोनोमियल, कौन सा ट्राइनोमियल है, एंड इसके बाद हमने it is written that which polynomial don't fit in any of these categories. Means हमें वो बताने हैं polynomials जो ना monomial है, ना binomial है और ना ही trinomial है. So first is a plus b, two terms, so binomial. 5ab single term, monomial. 9a 5b plus 6c, so it is trinomial. Now 2a plus 3b minus 4c plus 5b, more than 3. So ये इस category में नहीं आते, इसलिए मैंने इनके आगे नहीं लिखा कुछ भी. फिफ्थ भी 1 2 3 4 5 6 टर्म्स हैं, हमारी कैटेगरी में नहीं आते हैं, हमने नहीं लिखा. 1 2 3 टर्म्स, सो इट इज ट्राइनोमियल. नाउ द सेकंड क्वेश्चन, गिव द न्यूमेरिक फैक्टर और यू कैन से न्यूमेरिक कोफिशिएंट ऑफ ऑल द टर्म्स इन द फॉलोइंग एक्सप्रेशन. वी हैव गिवन 6mn, so the numeric coefficient is 6. 7p के बाद numeric coefficient is 7. Now in this algebraic expression we have 3 terms, so separately we have to write the numeric coefficient. 2abc, 2 minus 3bc minus 3, it is minus 3. We have to put minus here. 5ac, 5. Now the third one, we have to add the terms. So many terms are given. It is 2p, 3p, minus 7p, minus 5p, 2p, 6p and minus 4p. So we have to write like this in horizontally, and then we have to separate the positive terms and the negative terms, add the positive terms separately and then add the negative terms separately. The difference of these two, we get minus 3p. So this is our answer.